Amazon changed the way people shop forever. And what if I told you we're doing the same thing for real estate investing? At Freedom Ventures Group, we're building a vertically integrated platform where investors can log in, browse deals, click buy, and then our team is going to handle everything from acquisition to the rehab to the management, all the way to the sale. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how we're building the Amazon of real estate and how it's going to change the game for busy professionals who want to build wealth without building a second job. If you're a high income earner, a business owner, or maybe a W-2 professional with capital but little time, this is for you. You don't want to become a contractor. You don't want to chase down tenants or manage rehab crews or follow up with flaky sellers. You want the results though, without trading more hours. But here's the problem. What most people won't tell you about real estate investing is that it's fragmented, it's chaotic, it's filled with a ton of handoffs that have the potential for stuff to fall through the cracks. You find a coach here, and then you got to go find a wholesaler there, and then you got to go scramble and find a contractor and hope that they know what they're doing. And then you got to roll the dice on a property manager who may or may not treat your asset the way that it matters. And honestly, it's exhausting. And so that's why we flipped the model. Instead of sending our clients into the chaos, we've built the machine that turns the chaos into clarity. And so here's how it works. We have 4 different divisions. Freedom Ventures Capital, this is where we're going to find and negotiate the off-market deals. Freedom Ventures Construction is going to manage all of the renovations and project timelines. Freedom Ventures Property Management places and manages all of the tenants. And then Freedom Ventures Realty handles all of the listings and sales. And at Freedom Ventures Group, that's where we build the strategy. That's where we match investors with the right deals. And then we give them full visibility into the process every step of the way. You get the specialized team, you get the proven system, and you get a single point of contact for every phase that you're in. And this isn't coaching. This is not a course. It's actual real estate investing productized, just like Amazon productized retail. And we're just getting started. Within the next 12 to 18 months, our clients are going to be able to log into a secured portal, view all of the available deals. They're going to see all of the underwriting, all the pictures, all the timelines, all the projected returns, and then they're going to click to reserve a deal. And then they're going to be able to track the project through the rehab, through the listing, and through the closing. You're going to know exactly what phase of construction you're in, as well as what stage of the sales process you're in. All of it in one single place, driven by a team that prioritizes excellent customer service in every facet. It's not a spreadsheet. It's not a Discord group. This is a full stack investing experience, just like Amazon Prime, but for real estate investing. And honestly, the future of investing isn't about more hustle. It's about alignment and access. You really do not need to grind harder. You need a team, you need a system, and you need a proven plan that works. That's what we're building at Freedom Ventures Group. And we're building this for people who want to create a legacy, that want to build wealth without burning out or guessing their way through it. And if this resonates with you at all, if you've got the income, you've got the desire for more, but not the time or the experience, then let's talk. Click the link in the description and fill out a quick form. If it's a good fit, we'll set up a call and walk you through how all of this could work for you as well. And we're not just selling properties. We are building futures at scale with systems, with professional teams, all in-house and zero compromise. We are chasing excellence so that you can build freedom. Let's build something great together and go out there and make it a great day. And be sure to subscribe for more. Have a good one.